Welcome back Office Executives. I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this particular video we will be finding out the age of certain persons, namely Suraj, Neha, Mohan, Alok, as being shown to you in the screen. So we have a function in Excel known by the name of dated. We can use the dated function to find the age of a person in year, month and day format. So maybe 4 months, 12 days, 12 days, 4 months and 54 years, that in that particular format using the function dated. But if we are concerned with finding the age which is taking into account only the age in years, leaving out the month and the day, we can use this particular topic, that is this particular function, that is Yearfrac. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be using the function equal to Yearfrac. Now this Yearfrac is asking for the start date and the end date. The start date is this will be this particular date, that is the date of birth, and the end date will be this date will be compared with the age with the date as of today. So today's date is can be found out easily by using the function today, and that's it. So we are getting answer in decimal format. Now we need to convert this decimal to an integer value. So we will be casting this with int. We will be casting this Yearfrac value with the integer, and then close the braces and hit enter. Now if we double click in here, it is being populated the age in years. So we are not concerned with the month and the days, as we were mentioning from the beginning of the video. But how to know that whether this age which is being shown in here is correct or not? So what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing today's date equal to today, and here is the date for today, and we'll be dragging this to all the way across to the down, and then we will be copying this date of birth and pasting it in here. Now what we'll be doing is that we will be finding out the date in this way. So let me make the screen a little bit smaller so that whole of the data set fits into one screen. So equal to text, we will be converting the date, the difference of the two dates, the difference of which two dates, the difference of this greater date, the greater one is that of today, minus the date of birth, and we will be finding out the date, that is the age, and not in the age we are converting this particular value to the text function, and we will be viewing the answer in a particular format, which will be in the format of YY, that is year. So it's 39. Now let's double click in here. It's 31, 18, 23. So the answer which is being shown in here, it is getting matched with this answer which we have just found out using the Yearfrac function. So before ending the video, I would again like to highlight what the function we use to find out the data. So integer Yearfraction B2 today, that's the function in here, as I mean it is being shown here. I use this particular function to find the date. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.